Good day, Nahom. I'm your host, Willen Cloud. Welcome to the Willemobile, obviously. We are here in the Willemobile and we will get an upgrade for it. You know that Willemobiles need to look cool and good. Now, the front of the car doesn't look cool or good. So I'm gonna fix this and I'm gonna take you with the trip. It's not such a long trip, but it's more like a journey to get to the real thing, what I want. Because I have already one bumper, which is incorrect. It's the wrong one. It's from a Cabrio and it doesn't fit at all. So we're gonna get a new one. It's not brand new, but it's the right bumper for this. Now, you can't get a new bumper without getting this thing. Let me show you what it is. You can't buy anything without this. So this is what I have. This is the price they asked. Now let's go. I'll take you with me. Check this out. See what I have there? That's my new bumper. You can't see it because they just give all of it. And that's, I have horns there. I have completely almost everything. It's fucking amazing. Oh God, guys, sorry, I forgot about you. I already got here. I stripped everything down and I already painted it. Check this out. Look at this. Check this out, this is almost done. See, it's black, now another coat and it will look awesome. That's where the damage was, but now it's fixed. Look at that, that looks good, doesn't it? Sorry, everything what was interesting I already done, sorry. Got him! That's not the right bumper. That's the old one, which is wrong. This is the real bumper. Hello. See, I started half and then I remembered, oh yeah, you guys are here. Look at the difference. See, this doesn't have it, has just a groove. This is completely broken off. Here, see, this non-existent. It almost looks the same, almost. But this is the right one, this is the wrong one. This I can sell. Don't worry about this, but this is how you look once you start to prepare. Once you prepare stuff. See? See the difference? This is just normal paint, how it usually would be, like this. This lacquer came off here. Once you go, everything matte. So now I will prepare this bumper. I think I will need to prime it. You can see this looks cool. So this is the new bumper which will go on tomorrow, but for you it will be just like done like that. Now you see it all blue, dark blue. Soon it will look not that, but gloss black, the same as my Willemobile. I'll see you soon.
How about a snip like this? We'll change the bumper to the new one. Ready? Say it with me. 3, 2, 1. What? That's not it. Another one, another time. Let's go another time. See? Different hand. Let's do another time. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah, there you go. Finally we reached it. We reached the end. Look at this. Look at that grill. Look at that smile. Finally, I reached the conclusion I wanted. This is the bumper I always wanted on the front, and now it looks much meaner. You can't even compare it. Went from this to this. A huge improvement in looks and in styling, obviously. If you liked the video, of course, smash the like button, subscribe for more Wilhelmobile videos, ring that notification bell so you can see when I upload a new video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!